Today's video from Sam4s help, we're going to quickly demonstrate how to program the percentage discount button with a preset amount. So you don't necessarily need to follow everything I do in this video, but coupled with the manual, this video should enable you to preset the button which best suits you. So I've got tax programmed on the machine, so one of the things I'm also going to do as well as presetting the button is assign a tax rate to it, so that may or may not be relevant to your till's programming, but watch the process and then hopefully it should make sense. So all programming is carried out in the PGM mode. To get to PGM mode you press 6 followed by mode, and then the first thing we're going to do is set the status of the button. So we're going to tell the discount button, which is this button here, we're going to tell it that we want it to be a preset rate rather than an open rate, and we're going to tell it that it applies, tax rate 1 applies to it. So to do the function button programming, in the program mode you type in 70 subtotal. And this is really where having a copy of the manual will come into hand. So I'm now going to type in a 6-digit code made up of zeros and ones which set the status for my button. So your button might be slightly different code, so as I go along I'll try and explain what I'm doing. So the first, I'm entering 0 to start with because I want my discount button to be preset. If you were having it open you'd have pressed 1. I'm now pressing button number 1 because I want tax rate 1 to apply to the button. That may or may not be relevant for yourselves. And then I'm finishing with 4 zeros. Once you've typed in your code you then press the discount button and save with the cash button. We're now going to assign a rate to the button because obviously I'm setting mine up, so I now need to tell the till what rate I'm setting it to. So staying in the program mode, we then hit 90 subtotal, and we now need to type in our rate. So for 10% you need, it looks wrong but you have to put in 4 zeros, so it's always 5 digits, so that is my 10%. I'll show you when it's finished how it works. You then press the button, the discount button that you're programming the rate into, and then finish with cash. You get a little printout confirming what you've done, so the status, which doesn't really mean a great deal at the top, and then the rate there. If we go back to the reg mode and then put 10p through a button, or sorry, a pound through a button, we can then see it's taken 10% off. We subtotal a sale, so we've got a £3 sale there, hit our percentage minus key and it's taken 10% off. So that's how the button works once you've programmed it. The discounts are recorded on the receipt if you've got the receipt switched on, and they'll also be referenced on your end of day report. Okay, I hope that video's been helpful. We've got plenty more videos, some of which will be appearing on screen now, showing you how to get the best out of the ER-180, so I'd recommend checking those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.